If you use Excel at work but never felt like you were getting the most out of it, this course will change that completely. This course isn't for Excel specialists. It's for everyone who wants to use Excel's most powerful features without spending years learning them. Claude AI lets you punch well above your weight as an Excel user, moving from lightweight to heavyweight with a single prompt. Claude sits directly inside Excel as a sidebar, and all you have to do is describe what you want in plain English, and Claude takes care of the rest. Formulas you've always avoided are built in seconds. VBA macros that used to require a developer are generated, explained, and ready to run. And Power Query pipelines that clean and transform your data automatically are created from a single prompt. The course covers everything you need to become genuinely productive with AI in Excel: formulas and functions, pivot tables and charts, conditional formatting, data cleaning, Power Query M-code, VBA automation, and pulling in external data from the web, PDFs and Word documents. Every lesson comes with the exact workbook used on screen, and every prompt is provided, so you can open the file, run the prompt, and see the technique work immediately before applying it to your own data. Claude AI for Excel, the complete guide. Enroll now and start punching above your weight in Microsoft Excel.